Hello, today is July 3rd and I'm on my way to Walmart because tomorrow is July 4th, right? And I'm going to Long Beach pier where people can fish and just chill with my coworker. I'm going to buy some water, steak, and cup ramen and some sandwiches for tomorrow. This schedule is actually a little bit too crazy because tonight I'm going to work and I will finish probably like 12:30 and then we're going to go to the pier at 4 a.m. in the morning. So basically, I will have only 3 hours and a half before we go. More crazy thing is, my friend, so we're gonna carpool, he's gonna pick me up. He actually lives like 30 minutes away. He has even shorter time than I do. But he wanna do that, so yeah, let's do that. I can see it. It's gonna be very, very tired, but I am very excited too. I'm gonna bring these foods. And then he's gonna bring portable stove, pot, like cookware things. I have fished when I was really young, like when I was a teenager. Since then, I've never had chance to fishing. So I'm very excited and I hope to get at least one fish. Alright. I'm at Walmart. Let's get it done real quick. This one looks good. What should I get? Turkey and cheddar, Supreme, New York Deli, All American, Italian Hero. All American sounds good. Let's go with this. A gallon of water, just in case too. Just come ramen and steaks. That's it. Okay, I found it. Nongshim bowl noodles. It's $1 each. Nice. Let me get one of these too. So I'm gonna make a review video later. I've never tried it. It's 3:40 a.m. After work, I came home like 12 and took shower. Okay, this alarm. And I was trying to sleep before I go to Long Beach and I couldn't sleep. Okay, I have to go outside. I have to meet my friend in 15 minutes. Let me make some coffee real quick. I didn't sleep and right now I'm sleepy. Oh, it's ridiculous. Why? I could have slept like 3 hours. My coffee. Yeah, so right now I'm at the pier right now. This ship is, I think it's Queen Mary. So I got here at like 4:40 in the morning. When I got here, it was so dark. Right now it's like sun super shiny. Right now we're cooking breakfast. Oh, ho, 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 ho. She's funny. Thank you, thank you. Ooh. 지긴다.
You want glove or you got
It's good.
small but it'll smell fire?
What time is it? It's 2:44 p.m. I had to sleep like a few hours of sleep. And I just laid down for almost a couple hours, just scrolling my phone. Bunny, her name is Bunny. Bunny, say hello. Oh, the weather is very, very hot right now. Yeah, people are fishing here. Is that a cruise ship? One day I want to go on cruise. I forgot sunscreen, so I have to wear it. Actually, outside is not that hot. It's kind of warm, and there's a little wind, so chilling. It's already 5 p.m., 5:30 almost, and we didn't do anything. We didn't fish. We didn't cook the steak. Just sit down and lay down, enjoy the sun and wind. It's actually really peaceful, and we just ordered like boiled shrimp. A lot of people here too. And you know what about palm trees? We don't have palm trees in Korea, only in Jeju Island. When I first arrived to the US, that was LA airport, LAX. And soon I got out of there, I saw a lot of big palm trees, and that was very impressive. It looks so nice. I ordered mild, but judging by how much I was sweating, I'm pretty sure this was mild. For a long time, I felt like I never really belonged here, but maybe, little by little, I'm finding my place. Somewhere along the way, through work, through making these videos, I met people I can generally call my friends. And maybe I'm not as alone here as I thought.